AI and machine learning programmers, and even cloud managers. The new digital banking industry is slated to provide new roles in tech and transform traditional banking jobs. But the search for such talent will be competitive due to the niche skills required. Industry observers are urging digital banks to consider training workers to fill up the roles instead. Michelle Teo with this report for SG Pulse.
You may not be able to see most of the digital bank staff physically, even if you wish to. Unlike a traditional bank, digital banks don't have a physical presence. Instead, they operate through an app. Transactions can be done on your phone, from opening new accounts, applying for loans, or depositing a check. Simply snap a picture and you'll find the amount reflected in your account faster than a traditional bank. Digital banks are expected to hire more tech roles, and that includes algorithm mechanics and programmers, as the skills to read codes from data is required. But as the technical skills required are niche, experts say it may not come cheap.
We're talking about, companies competing with a lot of the big tech companies that came from Silicon Valley, It's not just about the base salary. And I think, we expect that the digital banks, if they are looking to compete for talent in that kind of segments, they would probably also consider having some form of additional benefits in addition to salary itself.
To plug the skills gap in tech knowledge, industry observers urge digital banks to focus on hiring people who also have deep experience in other skills and train their technical skills later. This includes those experienced in customer service who can be trained to use chatbots to answer customer queries. Experienced PMETs with deep knowledge in other industries can also pivot into this new area.
Employers should keep an open mind, not just looking at tech talents per se, but also look at domain expertise and keep options open. I don't think you can find a perfect match in this day and age, but I think with the domain experience and expertise, coupled with training interventions and training support and reskilling, I'm sure you'll go a long way into powering and finding the manpower for your companies.
Observers say that digital banks are likely to be slow in growing their workforce once they are operational, as COVID-19 will continue to unsettle business sentiment and job creation.